circular lift hill. Got some good views of Voltron from up here. Just shows how long the layout that actually is, to be honest. Oh, lovely. Nice one, right? Right on cue.
Really long this weather.
But again, last time I was on this was when I came with school, so about 22 years ago. Wilden of blue fire over there. Right, here we go. Not really much spin to it. Definitely showing its age. Oh!
Why did it spin?
Didn't spin once.
No, it's supposed to spin.
Yeah.
But they didn't unlock it.
Oh well, there you go. Euro-Mir.